Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from SiteMate. Paper hazard reports are less likely to be completed, leading to unreported hazards on site and an increased potential for incidents. Dashpivot streamlines how you and your teams document, manage, and action hazards, enhancing field safety and compliance across your operations. Let's have a look at how this works. In Dashpivot, you can create a hazard report template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I run a search here at the top for hazard report, and as you can see, we have two different formats available. You can preview this format before adding it to your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. With your templates ready, you can start creating digital hazards report. I'm using the hazard reporting workflow template as an example. Our standard format includes fields such as drop-down list to select location, company, and risk level, an image of the risk matrix for reference, date field for hazards, text box for description, and of course photos for evidence. We also have a yes/no question for any actions required, and if you have selected yes, there's an action table for further information. Then there are two sign-off sections here for the hazard identifier and the reviewer. Once saved, the report will be shown in a workflow view like this. The workflow type of template is designed for form to progress through various stages, with automatic notification that can be set up to alert relevant parties. For example, you might set the middle column to notify the reviewer so that they come in and able to check the information in the report. This is to ensure that relevant people stay informed. Each reports are then advanced to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template. So the one in the middle here has been signed off by the identifier, and now that we want to move this to the close column, we just need to sign the second signature. Close, and as you can see, they're all now in the close column. All reports are then automatically compiled into a register view, where all information are laid out in a table format like this. You can use filters at the top to narrow down or search for specific forms, such as only wanting to see a certain risk level, and then you'll be able to export these data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of the fields within the builder as you see fit. As shown earlier, conditional logic can be applied to yes, no, and list fields to display more fields depending on the answer selected, such as this immediate action question here. You can also implement logic for approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. For example, the first signature, I've set it so that the person that creates the form is the only one that is allowed to sign this first signature as well as reset the signature. This feature provides you with greater control over your document. The list module here can be used as a database with various properties. Let's use the subcontractor list as an example. You can have all sorts of information as list properties, and we also have an expiration date where you can choose to be notified when the set date is approaching or when it is overdue. It is also color-coded so you're able to gather the information at a glance. These lists can also be linked and used as drop-down or multiple choice list option in your template forms, such as the companies involved in our hazard reporting. Photos are crucial for hazard reports as they provide visual evidence that corrective actions have been successfully implemented. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders as well as on the forms. Photo tags can then be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS locations can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. If you need external parties to sign off on your document, such as external safety supervisor, they can be added to your Dashpivot workspace in the user section under the visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access similar to how you would control your internal team. Reports can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. Forms are organized in a workflow column just like on the web access. You can continue with any existing forms or create a new one using this plus icon. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can also choose from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, you'll be able to mark up these photos to highlight certain details. This is also where you can add text description as well as apply photo tags for filtering later on. Once completed, and if you need to share a copy of this document with other people right away, you don't need to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app, making sharing documents with external parties easier. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSight. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your hazard report data from Dashpivot to your preferred data, storage, analytics, or any other tools. And that's it for me for this video. You can try Dashpivot for hazard reporting today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.